Time travel is a fascinating concept that has captured the imagination of scientists, writers and fans of science fiction for centuries. Here are some interesting facts about time travel. Theory of relativity. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity suggests that time travel to the future is possible. According to his theory, as you approach the speed of light, time slows down relative to someone at rest. This means that if you were to travel close to the speed of light, time would move more slowly for you, allowing you to travel into the future. Time dilation. Time dilation, a consequence of relativity, has been experimentally verified using atomic clocks on airplanes and satellites. These clocks showed a slight difference in time compared to clocks on Earth, supporting the idea that time moves differently depending on speed and gravity. Grandfather paradox. The grandfather paradox is a famous thought experiment in time travel. It suggests that if you traveled back in time and prevented your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, you would never be born, creating a paradox. Wormholes. Some theories propose that wormholes, which are hypothetical tunnels through space-time, could allow time travel. However, these wormholes would need to be stable and large enough to allow passage, and such conditions are currently beyond our understanding of physics. Novikov's self-consistency principle. This principle, proposed by physicist Igor Novikov, suggests that if time travel is possible, the events a time traveler causes must be consistent with the timeline they originate from. This means that any actions taken by a time traveler would have already been accounted for in history, preventing paradoxes. Time travel in fiction. Time travel is a popular theme in science fiction, with countless books, movies and TV shows exploring the concept. Some famous examples include H.G. Wells' The Time Machine, the Back to the Future trilogy, and the Doctor Who series. Quantum mechanics. Some interpretations of quantum mechanics suggest that time travel might be possible on a quantum level. Concepts like quantum entanglement and the many worlds interpretation hint at the possibility of alternate timelines or parallel universes where time travel could potentially occur. Chronovisor. An urban legend tells of a device called the chronovisor, allegedly built by an Italian priest named Father Pellegrino Ernetti in the 1950s, which could view past events. While there's no evidence to support this, it's an intriguing example of how time travel has permeated popular culture. Stephen Hawking's Time Traveller Party. In 2009, physicist Stephen Hawking hosted a party for time travelers, but only sent out the invitations after the party had ended. No one showed up, which he took as a humorous experiment to suggest that time travel to the past might not be possible. Time capsules. While not exactly time travel, time capsules are a real-world attempt to communicate with the future. These containers are filled with objects and messages and are buried or stored with the intention of being opened by future generations, serving as a form of time travel into the future.